Do you experience irritable bowel syndrome, IBS? You're not alone, many people deal with this common condition. In fact, statistics reveal that 1 in 10 American adults experience IBS symptoms, leading to around 35,000 hospitalizations each year. It's also the second most common reason for taking sick leave, right after the flu. It's important to differentiate IBS from inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. While IBD is a serious autoimmune condition that can cause severe pain, the bowels remain fully functional in IBD. How can you tell if you are actually suffering from IBS and not something else? Common symptoms are abdominal pain, bloating, excessive gas, constipation, diarrhea, and spastic colon. Most doctors will prescribe you antispasmodics and antidepressants for IBS, but there are other alternatives. Rather than simply address the symptoms, which is what these drugs are doing, you can address the root cause. 1. Peppermint. Herbal treatments are always one of the best options for treating almost any physical ailment. Peppermint calms the muscles in the colon, which is the main cause of diarrhea and the abdominal pain. Drinking a cup of peppermint tea after each meal can go a long way toward helping your symptoms. You can also try sucking on peppermint candies. There are peppermint extract supplements, but you should consult with an herbalist, who can advise you as to the proper dosage. 2. Ginger. Ginger is known to help with all kinds of stomach and digestive problems, including gas and bloating. Ginger reduces inflammation in the body, which can lead to several of the IBS symptoms. Drink a cup of ginger tea after each meal or suck on ginger candies. Like peppermint, there are also ginger extract supplements, but please consult an herbalist before consuming them. 3. Fiber. Consuming fiber can be extremely helpful when it comes to addressing IBS symptoms such as the bloating, diarrhea, and constipation. Fiber supplements that contain psyllium are the most helpful. Psyllium is a type of adaptogenic fiber. This means it will adjust the amount of water it draws to your stools so that you don't have hard stools that are difficult to pass, and that you don't have diarrhea. Be certain the psyllium you buy is organic. 4. Carrots. Carrots never reach the colon undigested, and they are great natural remedies for constipation. Although the exact amount needed varies from person to person, start with 1 cup of fresh sliced carrots or 1 cup, 8 ounces, of carrot juice. If this isn't sufficient, then add a half cup more each day until the desired results are obtained. 5. Flax seeds. Many people find that ground flax seeds help ease IBS symptoms. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, flax seeds should be freshly ground using a spice or coffee grinder. Simply add 2 tablespoons daily to your yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies for significant relief. 6. Bananas. If you suffer from diarrhea most days, eating just 2 large bananas each day can stop this annoying symptom. Bananas are high in potassium, which helps to prevent bouts of diarrhea. 7. Acupuncture. This is a super popular alternative for people suffering from IBS. It has been proven to be very effective when treating chronic pain, bloating, and most of the other symptoms. Be certain that you see a certified acupuncture specialist. Speak with your doctor for a referral. 8. Avoid gluten. Most people with IBS have sensitivity to gluten. One of the first things you should try is to go on a completely gluten-free diet for 30 days. For many people, just doing this relieves almost all their symptoms. Avoid gluten in all its forms, including wheat, rye, barley, spelt, and oats. If this doesn't affect your symptoms, then try some of the other remedies listed in this video. Keep a food diary for a few weeks to identify your trigger foods, as everyone's sensitivities are different. Listen to your body, not just advice from books. Tracking what you eat and noting your symptoms can reveal food sensitivities, allergies, or intolerances linked to your IBS. Dealing with irritable bowel syndrome can be tough, so consider joining a support group. If none are available locally, look for online options. You don't have to suffer in silence. Connecting with others who understand your experience can provide valuable emotional support.